In this video, we're gonna make things nice and shiny. Hi everyone, in this video we're going to cover the subject of portraits, more specifically people's hair, and we're going to go over specifically how to make your portraits look better by adding a little bit of shine to your subject's hair. With portraits, the eyes are the most important because they convey emotion and are the first thing you notice about someone, logically because we are human. But we shouldn't forget about the other parts of a portrait that can bring it to that next level. So in this video, we're going to focus more on the subject's hair, but if you're interested in emphasizing the subject's eyes, there's going to be a video posted in the description below. You can check that out, but back to editing. Okay, so we've got our photo open and ready to go in the Develop module. And previously, you would make similar adjustments in the Editor module using masks and layers, but there is now a much easier way using local adjustments, specifically using the filter brush. So the concept is simple. We're going to lighten and darken different strands of hair, which are going to make the hair look shinier and have a lot more contrast. I click Add Mask and then rename the filter brush Lightening to give me a better idea of what sections I've got selected and which ones we're working with. To make the transitions really smooth, let's increase the blur to 100%. Next, just select the areas that we want to lighten, and let's select small sections of hair, ideally those that already look a bit lighter. Now, once my selection is complete, let's go to Dynamic Range and increase lights, shadows, whites, as well as our blacks. And to see what the hair looked like before using that filter brush, let's click this little checkbox here to disable it. Now, the lighting seems a bit too intense, so let's lower the effect strength by moving this slider under the filter brush. All right, now that looks a lot better. Now let's use the same technique to darken the hair and give it more contrast. Once again, let's add a mask, and this time we'll name it Darkening. And let's darken only those sections of hair that are already darker. Once we've got it all selected, now let's lower the lights, shadows, whites, and blacks just like we did previously. Then let's check out what the photo looked like before darkening the hair by disabling the filter brush with this checkbox. Let's click the picture icon to see what the photo looked like before lightening and darkening and what it looks like now. And I think that looks pretty good. What about you? What do you think? So that is how you can use a really simple way of adding a bit of shine or contrast to your subject's hair. I hope that was a useful tip for you. Let us know what you think below. Give us a like, hit subscribe so you don't miss a video ever again, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care. Ciao.